Today I'm going to show you how to show calories on the Strava app. So I'm starting by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app loads up, I'm looking at the main screen where all my activity feeds and recent workouts appear. Now, the first thing I need to do is head up to the top of the screen and tap on my profile icon. This is usually a small circular image or icon representing my account, and it's positioned right there in the top corner. As soon as I tap that, it takes me directly to my profile page. Now that I'm on my profile, I can see all my stats, recent activities, and various details about my account. What I'm looking for next is the edit button, so I'm going ahead and clicking on edit. This opens up the profile editing screen where I can make changes to my personal information and settings. This is where the important part happens because Strava uses certain personal data to calculate calories burned during activities. Once I'm in the editing area, I'm scrolling down a bit until I locate the athlete information section. This section contains various details about me as an athlete, like height, weight, and other physical metrics that help Strava provide more accurate data about my workouts. Under the athlete information section, I'm now looking for the weight field. This is the key piece of information Strava needs to calculate calories. Without your weight entered, the app simply can't give you an accurate calorie count because it doesn't know enough about your body to make that calculation. So now I'm tapping on the weight field and inputting my current weight. I'm making sure the number is accurate because this directly affects how precise the calorie calculations will be across all my future activities. Once I've entered my weight, I'm taking a quick look to make sure everything else in my profile looks correct as well. It's always good to double check before saving any changes. After confirming that everything is accurate, I'm heading up to the upper right corner of my screen and clicking Done. As soon as I tap that, the app saves all the changes I just made. At this point, you might notice a brief moment while the app processes and updates your profile information. This is totally normal and it usually happens pretty quickly. And that's it. After completing these steps, you can now see calories displayed on your activities. From this point forward, whenever you complete a run, ride, or any other workout, Strava will automatically calculate and show you how many calories you burned during that session. The calorie information will appear alongside other metrics like distance, time, and pace. The key to making this work was simply adding your weight in the athlete information section because that's what allows Strava to make accurate calculations based on your actual body metrics. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.